How you doing? Since I got that Rane 70 mixer, I need a case for it. So let's go check out the ProX cases again. What's going on, everybody? It's your man Cleveland Terry, and once again we are doing another review. Today we're doing the review of the ProX, the Rane ProX case. Now this is a 72 case, but since the 72 and the 70 are about the exact same size, this case should fit perfectly. So we're going to do a little review of this one. This is their black on black. Is it black on black? I did not choose black on black. It is their black on black slider case. So let's take a look right now. Now I would not have normally gotten the black on black. It's a good thing that this mixer does not go too far away from me. And what do we have? A box in a box, because that's how we do things. Okay, try this again. It's so embarrassing, I can't even cut in a straight line. Okay, good. It's not black on black, it's silver, which is the one I really wanted. So that's good. Okay. This is like a Patrishka doll. Is that what they call them? Patrishka dolls? Whatever those little Russian dolls are. Let's take a look at this case. Looks very much like my DDJ 1000 case. Nice and clean. Clean lined. It's got their standard honeycomb visuals right here, which is what they're kind of known for. Interesting. So we have 3 latches, one here, and then 2 more on this side. Normally speaking, there is a like lip system that you apply the other one in and then slide it down. But this one actually has 2 latches, which should avoid the bending issue that you get sometimes. So this one should go straight up. So then you avoid having the little bending latches that are located on some of the other ones. So I actually appreciate that. That's actually really, really smart. You got your typical ProX moniker everywhere. Some additional sliding pieces here. Let's go to the top. Take a look at that. Okay, and it slides directly off. Sliders doesn't go too high, which is what I like. These pads are definitely going to go on, probably right on the top of the case. But we're going to move these to the side right now. And we have some baby food. Just kidding. And it has a nice little padding here too to protect the case. Okay, let's turn this around. Since this is the back side, like so. There, and let's get the mixer. Here we go. Perfect. Literally perfect. A perfect fit. You have nice space for all of your cords here, and then you have your cord outlet right here. So it gives you a nice little smooth out. It's nice and clean. And let's put on this mixer side right here. This should be the back. Okay, perfect. Slider is always good, and it goes all the way back, but I want to make sure there's enough where I'm not worried about my computer falling down, and I can definitely get to all the knobs. There's still a lot of sliding availability here to go to, because normally I probably keep it like right about there. On the slider, you see I still have access to all my load points, all the knobs, the volumes, and everything. Plus, if I need to, I still have access to the back. As you can see, the opening, how much space is in the back here. There is a lot of space. Yeah, I like that. There's a nice gap underneath for cord management and for just like heat dissipation. So you're not squishing everything in, but I can run things underneath the case. Some people like to run their cords underneath and then they like them to come all the way into the front. and then slide out. Well, you could actually do that with this case because there is a nice gap in between this case right here. You see where the front is? There's a nice little gap here, but you could run cords underneath it and then beneath you. So a lot of options for this case. It's actually not a large case, which is what I appreciate. Let's see the case here. It has one little drop pad here, which definitely has to go this way. I gotta take these and then apply them here. Okay. Perfect. Latches are good, like they always are. And here's your case. It's a good case. I like it. Why is it normal? I mean, it's not like the mixer isn't light, because it's not light. It's a dense mixer, but it works well. So I needed a case for it. Obviously, I forgot to put the front piece in, but I needed a case. The case came. ProX has quality. I'm not worried about ProX. This case will fit both the 70 and the 72 exactly. So please check it out if you get a chance and enjoy your case. All right, guys, if you found what I said here useful, hit that like button. If you found what I said here really useful, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me on the Instagrams and the Twitters. And of course, it is always a pleasure. If I don't talk to you later, we'll talk soon. Peace.